back again. Michelle is sleeping in the back, so we're just here sitting down, waiting for the time to kill. Hello everyone, me again, it's back, and I'm just sitting down in the car. So this is the town of Monaghan. It's busy because there is a festival at the moment. I show you around. Quick visit. Yeah, that's the town. That's a lake over there. The festival it's on today is Jazz Festival. It's on every year in Monaghan for September. We're on the road again, showing the festival. It's raining, it's wet. Not too good for the festival. Oh, where's the people? People are not here. That's the people are inside in the tent. So here, so just showing around part of the town. Hello. We just finished visiting the mother. Ang mama, bisitahon kay syempre, love. Gabi na. Baby is in the back. Say hi. Good boy. Are you gonna say hi to?
Hi.
Good. It's dull now in Ireland. Huh? Hi, mommy. Good boy, Hickson. We're on the way to get some pizza. We're gonna eat some pizza for this nice weather. Nice weather in Ireland. Wet all the time. Isn't it true?
Yep.
Oh yeah. That's Ireland for you. We're here in the pizza shop. Shop or I don't know. Ano na lang. Tindahan. Are you gonna get the pizza? Light! Hi! Waiting for the pizza. Do you like chips, Hickson? Yeah? Say chips. Say hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Baba.
Baby is trying to speak a little bit. It's only learning. You like school, baby? Yeah? Are you tired? Are you cold? Oh my gosh.
Baby is cold and hungry for this weather like this wet. Typical Ireland.
Wow. Nice and fresh. Thank you. Pizza. Pizza, everyone. Pizza. And some wedges. We just decided to eat in the car because it's still warm, you know, fresh. Mm.
Mommy, drop something.
Mm. Thanks, my love. You love the pizza?
Very good.
Good. What do you want? Juice? My gosh. Well, that's it for tonight, and see you again next time. Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, Hickson. See you.